How does load balancing improve network performance? And in which scenarios is it particularly beneficial for maintaining high availability and even traffic distribution? A. Load balancing enhances network security. B. Load balancing manages email communication. C. Load balancing distributes network traffic across multiple servers, improving performance and ensuring high availability. D. Load balancing creates wireless networks. Load balancing distributes network traffic across multiple servers, improving performance and ensuring high availability, making it valuable in scenarios like high-traffic websites. How does the use of BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, communities enhance routing and traffic engineering in large-scale networks? And what are the key benefits of implementing BGP communities? A. BGP communities optimize web security. B. BGP communities enable network operators to tag and manipulate routes, providing fine-grained control over routing and traffic engineering. C. BGP communities create wireless networks. D. BGP communities manage email communication. BGP communities enable network operators to tag and manipulate routes, providing fine-grained control over routing and traffic engineering, optimizing network performance and resource allocation. How does the use of CORS, quality of service, improve network performance in organizations? And what types of traffic are typically prioritized with CORS settings? A. CORS enhances web security. B. CORS ensures all network traffic is treated equally. C. CORS prioritizes network traffic, giving higher quality to critical applications like voice and video. D. CORS optimizes email communication. CORS prioritizes network traffic, giving higher quality of service to critical applications like voice and video, ensuring better performance for these services. How does the use of VPN, virtual private network, technology enhance network security and privacy? And what are the key advantages of implementing VPNs for remote access and data encryption? A. VPNs optimize network performance. B. VPNs create wireless networks. C. VPNs encrypt data and provide secure, private connections over public networks, protecting sensitive information. D. VPNs manage email communication. VPNs encrypt data and provide secure, private connections over public networks, protecting sensitive information and enhancing network security and privacy. In the context of network security, what is the role of WPA3, Wi-Fi Protected Access 3, and how does it enhance the security of wireless networks? A. WPA3 enhances network performance. B. WPA3 provides robust security for Wi-Fi networks, offering stronger encryption and protection against brute force attacks. C. WPA3 creates wireless networks. D. WPA3 optimizes network management. WPA3 provides robust security for Wi-Fi networks, offering stronger encryption and protection against brute force attacks, enhancing the security of wireless networks. In the context of networking, what is the purpose of a router? And what does it help devices do within a network? A. Routers manage phone calls. B. Routers connect devices within a network and route data between them. C. Routers create wireless networks. D. Routers optimize network security. Routers connect devices within a network and route data between them, enabling communication and data transfer between devices. In the context of routing protocols, what is the significance of OSPF? Open shortest path first. And how does it operate to determine the best paths for data transmission in complex networks? A. OSPF optimizes web security. B. OSPF manages email communication. C. OSPF is an interior gateway routing protocol that uses the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the shortest path to destinations, making routing decisions based on link state information. D. OSPF creates wireless networks. OSPF is an interior gateway routing protocol that uses the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the shortest path to destinations, making routing decisions based on link state information, ensuring efficient data transmission in complex networks. In the context of wireless networking, what are MIMO, multiple input, multiple output systems? And how do they improve data transmission and reception in Wi-Fi networks? A. MIMO increases network security. B. MIMO systems use multiple antennas to enhance data throughput and signal reliability in wireless networks. C. MIMO creates wireless networks. D. MIMO optimizes email communication. MIMO systems use multiple antennas to enhance data throughput and signal reliability in wireless networks, improving data transmission and reception. In the context of wireless networks, what is the primary difference between 802.11 AC and 802.11 AX Wi-Fi standards? And what benefits does 802.11 AX offer? A. 802.11 AC is faster than 802.11 AX, and it provides better signal range. B. 802.11 AX is backward compatible and offers higher data rates and improved performance in crowded environments. C. 802.11 AC is the latest Wi-Fi standard, while 802.11 AX is an older standard. D. 802.11 AX is designed for wired networks. .11 AX is backward compatible and offers higher data rates and improved performance in crowded environments compared to 802.11 AC. What is a modem's role in networking? And what type of network connection does it typically establish for homes and small businesses? A. Modems create wireless networks. B. Modems provide data storage and backup. C. Modems establish internet connections, often via DSL or cable. D. Modems manage email communication. Modems are devices that establish internet connections, often via DSL or cable, for homes and small businesses. Enabling internet access. What is the concept of SDWAN? Software-defined wide area network. In networking. And how does it offer flexibility and cost savings for connecting remote offices and branch locations? A. SD-WAN creates wireless networks. B. SD-WAN uses hardware-based solutions for network connections. C. SD-WAN leverages software-defined control and cost-effective broadband connections for remote sites. D. SD-WAN manages email communication. SD-WAN leverages software-defined control and cost-effective broadband connections for remote sites, providing flexibility and cost savings compared to traditional WAN solutions. What is the concept of software-defined networking? SDN. And how does it transform network management and configuration in large organizations? A. SDN optimizes web security. B. SDN automates network management through software-based control and centralized management. C. SDN creates wireless networks. D. SDN manages email communication. SDN automates network management through software-based control and centralized management, simplifying network configuration and enhancing agility in large organizations. What is the concept of the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, model in networking, and how does it provide a framework for understanding network communication and protocol interactions? A. OSI model optimizes web security. B. OSI model standardizes email communication. C. OSI model defines a 7-layer framework for understanding network communication, with each layer addressing specific functions. D. OSI model creates wireless networks. The OSI model defines a 7-layer framework for understanding network communication, with each layer addressing specific functions, making it a valuable tool for understanding protocol interactions. What is the main disadvantage of a wired network compared to a wireless network in a home or office environment? A. Wired networks are more expensive. B. Wired networks require less maintenance. C. Wired networks are less susceptible to interference. D. Wired networks involve the use of physical cables. The main disadvantage of wired networks is that they involve the use of physical cables, which can be less convenient in home or office settings. What is the primary advantage of a wireless network over a wired network for connecting devices? A. Wireless networks are more secure. B. Wireless networks do not require physical cables. C. Wireless networks are faster. D. Wireless networks have higher reliability. The primary advantage of wireless networks is that they do not require physical cables, offering flexibility in device placement. What is the primary function of a switch in a wired network? And how does it contribute to network performance? A. Switches create wireless networks. B. Switches optimize network security. C. Switches connect devices within a network, improving data transfer speed. D. Switches manage email communication. Switches connect devices within a network and improve data transfer speed by efficiently routing data packets to their intended destinations. What is the purpose of a firewall in network security? And how does it protect against unauthorized access and threats? A. Firewalls optimize network performance. B. Firewalls create wireless networks. C. Firewalls act as security barriers, inspecting and controlling incoming and outgoing traffic. D. Firewalls manage email communication. Firewalls act as security barriers, inspecting and controlling incoming and outgoing traffic to prevent unauthorized access and protect against threats. What is the purpose of a SIEM? Security Information and Event Management System in network security. And how does it collect and analyze security-related data to identify threats and provide real-time security monitoring and incident response? A. SIEM systems optimize network performance. B. SIEM systems create wireless networks. C. SIEM systems collect and analyze security data from various sources, correlate events, and provide real-time monitoring and incident response capabilities. D. SIEM systems manage email communication. SIEM systems collect and analyze security data from various sources, correlate events, and provide real-time monitoring and incident response capabilities, enhancing network security and threat detection. What is the purpose of a VLAN? Virtual Local Area Network in network segmentation. And how does it enhance network management and security in large organizations? A. VLANs create wireless networks. B. VLANs isolate and segment network traffic, improving management and security. C. VLANs optimize network performance. D. VLANs manage email communication. VLANs isolate and segment network traffic, which enhances network management and security by logically dividing networks into separate segments. What is the role of a network access control (NAC) system in network security? And how does it enforce security policies and control access for devices connecting to a network? A. NAC optimizes network performance. B. NAC creates wireless networks. C. NAC authenticates and authorizes devices, enforces security policies, and controls network access, ensuring compliance and security. D. NAC manages email communication. A network access control (NAC) system authenticates and authorizes devices, enforces security policies, and controls network access, ensuring compliance and security in complex networks. What is the role of a wireless intrusion detection system (WIDS) in network security? And how does it detect and respond to unauthorized wireless access points and threats in a complex wireless environment? A. WIDS optimizes network performance. B. WIDS monitors and detects unauthorized wireless access points and malicious activity in wireless networks, providing alerts and responses. C. WIDS creates wireless networks. D. WIDS manages email communication. A wireless intrusion detection system. WIDS. Monitors and detects unauthorized wireless access points and malicious activity in wireless networks, providing alerts and responses to enhance security. What is the role of IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6, in networking, and how does it address the limitations of IPv4 for the growing number of connected devices and the expansion of the Internet? A. IPv6 enhances web security. B. IPv6 improves email communication. C. IPv6 expands the address space, accommodating the increasing number of connected devices and supporting the Internet's growth. D. IPv6 creates wireless networks. IPv6 expands the address space, accommodating the increasing number of connected devices and supporting the Internet's growth by providing a larger pool of unique IP addresses. What is the role of subnetting in IP addressing, and how does it help manage and optimize IP address allocation within a network, especially in large organizations? A. Subnetting enhances web security. B. Subnetting simplifies email communication. C. Subnetting divides a large IP address space into smaller subnetworks, improving address allocation and network organization. D. Subnetting creates wireless networks. Subnetting divides a large IP address space into smaller subnetworks, improving address allocation and network organization, particularly valuable in large organizations. What is the significance of BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, in Internet routing, and how does it facilitate the exchange of routing information between autonomous systems? A. BGP enhances network security. B. BGP manages email communication. C. BGP is an inter-domain routing protocol that allows autonomous systems to exchange routing information, facilitating Internet routing. D. BGP creates wireless networks. BGP is an inter-domain routing protocol that allows autonomous systems to exchange routing information, facilitating Internet routing and ensuring efficient data transfer. What is the significance of NAT, Network Address Translation, in networking, and how does it enable multiple devices to share a single public IP address? A. NAT enhances network security. B. NAT creates wireless networks. C. NAT assigns unique public IP addresses to each device. D. NAT translates private IP addresses to a single public IP address. NAT translates private IP addresses of multiple devices to a single public IP address, enabling them to share a single public IP address and access the Internet.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.